Okay, so what's the qualification criteria for an organization to benefit from this wonderful offer that we're putting out? So let's talk about the offer first. So the offer is fairly simple. The first organization to sign up is going to get the service for free. Second one is going to be at 90% discount. The third one at 80% discount. And after that, everybody else will pay full price. So why are we giving it away? So what we need from these organizations that are getting the service for at highly reduced or free is we're doing it because we want it as marketing collateral. In other words, we want to be able for you to, after the service is delivered, to be able to showcase the value that you got out of the workshop and how it has enabled your organization to achieve better outcomes, or if it hasn't, to also share that. And we will be very happy. It's not just it has worked. If it hasn't worked, that would be good to know as well. So how could you qualify for this? Well, you need to be working with software-enabled solutions. In other words, you are meeting your customer needs with solutions that have got a significant element of software in them. We should be looking at a value stream that is a minimum of 80 people in it. So that's 80 people who are working in that value stream. That doesn't mean 80 people, all developers. No, it could be whatever function that you are delivering within that value stream. It should be one that the product or the solution that is delivered by this value stream is valuable to the organization. In other words, you're earning revenue, significant revenue from this value stream. And finally, you need to be a business that is located in London, UK, or within a 50-mile radius of London. I'd love to work with your organization and make sure you are also achieving results that I have achieved with other organizations. Want to learn more? Look up www.valueglide.com or link with me on any of my social media channels.